Hi everyone, welcome back to Easy Learning. In today's video, I will show you how to convert a PDF to Excel and discuss the benefits of doing it the right way. Okay, let's start. PDFs are a common format for sharing reports or data, but editing or analyzing that data in PDF format can be challenging. By converting PDFs to Excel, you can easily manipulate and analyze the data using Excel powerful tools like formula, charts, and more. You might think it's easier to just copy data from a PDF and paste it into Excel. While this may seem like a quick solution, there are a few problems with this approach. PDFs store data in a static format, which doesn't always translate well into Excel. When you copy and paste, data might not be aligned in rows and columns properly. Some values, especially tables or numbers, can get misaligned or broken, making it difficult to use formulas or analyze the data. After pasting, you will often need to spend time manually cleaning up the data, adjusting column widths, and ensuring everything is correct. This can be tedious and error-prone. To convert PDF to Excel, start by opening a new workbook. Go to the Data tab. From the options available, click on Get Data and choose from File. Then from PDF, a window will pop up where you need to browse and select the PDF file you want to import. Once the file is selected, Excel will display the tables and data available in the PDF. Choose the data you want and click Load to import it directly into Excel. If you don't have access to Excel's built-in tools, you can also use online PDF to Excel converters. Now the data will be properly aligned in rows and columns, reducing the need for manual cleanup. No need to waste time fixing formatting issues. Everything is imported as it should be. And there you have it. Converting a PDF to Excel is a quick and easy process if done the right way, saving you time and effort. Avoid copy-pasting from PDF and use the import feature to get your data into Excel seamlessly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Easy Learning for more quick Excel tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Thank you.